And Republic TV has accessed an MHA affidavit on the Tablighi Jamaat members, which was filed before the Supreme Court. The centre has told the Supreme Court that visas of foreigners who attended the Tablighi Jamaat have now been cancelled. 1,502 Tablighi attendees have been told by mail. They've been informed by mail. That's for those who had applied for e-visa. 2,679 visas of foreigners stand cancelled, and that no Tablighi attendee has been deported so far to ensure CRPC proceeding against them continues. The centre noting the Tablighis committed a criminal offence and breached visa conditions. What happens next in the case, Nalini? What happens next?
Niranjan, several of these members of the Tablighi Jamaat had actually approached the Supreme Court challenging the cancellation of their visas. So this affidavit that has been filed by the MHA before the Supreme Court today has actually clarified exactly why the MHA went forth and cancelled the visas of these foreign members of the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz. What the MHA has essentially said before the Supreme Court is that grant of visa is not a constitutional right or even an enforceable right. Grant of visa is a privilege that is granted by a government of the country to foreign citizens so that they come and visit the country. And when they can visit the country, there are certain rules and regulations that they have to abide by, which are listed under the visa manual, which all of these Tablighi Jamaat members whose visas have been cancelled were actually violating by indulging in criminal offences, and that's essentially why the MHA has gone forth and cancelled their visas. At the same time, they've also clarified to the Supreme Court that till now no foreign member of the Tablighi Jamaat has actually been deported back, essentially because there are cases, criminal cases that are going on against all of these members, and that is exactly why the members of the Tablighi Jamaat are still in India, whether or not they are in quarantine centres or whether they've been let free. In addition to that, there are several members who have also been granted bail in the criminal cases going on against them. So it's not as if their privilege is being curtailed in any manner by the MHA. So these clarifications have come forth in the form of this affidavit. The hearing has been listed for the 9th of July, which is when the matter is going to be taken up further. And the Supreme Court is going to decide whether or not this cancellation of these visas for these foreigners was valid or not.
Yes, with those inputs, Nalini. Keeping a close track on the story as the centre makes its stand on the attendees of the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz.